Hello everyone! For today's lesson is all about adding and subtracting fractions. If we have the same denominator, we can just add our numerators. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Then we can just carry the number in our denominator, which is 8. So our answer would be 7 all over 8. What if we have unlike denominators? What are we going to do? So we need to find first the common multiple of these denominators. Second, we need to convert the unlike fractions to like fractions. Then we can add the fractions. Like 1/4 plus 1/3. You can see that our denominators aren't the same. So what are we going to do first? We need to find the first common multiple of these two numbers. So what is the first common multiple of 4 and 3? It is 12. What can we multiply now by 4 to make it 12? It is 3. So 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Then 1 times 3 is equal to 3. How about 3? What can we multiply by 3 to make it 12? It is 4. So 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Then 1 times 4 is equal to 4. We can add our numerators now. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Since we have our denominators the same, we can just carry our denominator. So our answer would be 7 all over 12. How about 1/6 plus 3/4? Our denominators aren't the same. So what are we going to do first? We need to find the first common multiple of 6 and 4. What do you think? This? 12. Very good. So what can we multiply it by 6 to make it 12? It is 2. Very good. How about 4? What can we multiply it by 4 to make it 12? It is 3. Very good. Now we can multiply our numerators. So 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Then 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Add now our numerator. So 2 plus 9 is equal to 11 all over 12. So our answer is 11 all over 12. Can we simplify our answer? Or can we make it smaller? No. What if we have mixed fraction? So if we have mixed fraction, we need to convert the mixed numbers to improper fraction first. Then, find the first common multiple for the denominators. Then convert the unlike fractions and we can add the fractions. Like we have here, 1 1/2 plus 1 1/3. So we need to convert these mixed fraction to improper fractions. So 1 1/2 is equivalent to 3 all over 2 plus 1 1/3 is equivalent to 4 all over 3. Now we need to find the first common multiple of 2 and 3. So what do you think? It is 6. Very good. So what can we multiply it by 2 to make it 6? It is 3. Very good. Then what can we multiply it by 3 to make it 6? It is 2. Very good. Now we can multiply our numerator. So 3 times 3 plus 4 times 2. So 3 times 3 is equal to 9 plus 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. So our answer is 17 all over 6. Can we simplify our answer? Or can we make it as mixed fraction? Yes. So how are we going to do it? Since 17 all over 6 is improper fraction, we can just divide 17 divided by 6 is equal to 2. But there is a remainder. So we can just get our remainder, which is 5, and then carry our denominator. So our answer could be 17 all over 6 or 2 and 5/6. So this is what we call improper fraction, and this is mixed fraction. What if we have 2 and 1/4 plus 2 and 3/5? So we need to convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction first. So 2 and 1/4 is equivalent to 9 all over 4 plus 2 and 3/5 is equivalent to 13 all over 5. Then we need to find the first common multiple of 4 and 5. So what can we multiply? So what is the first common multiple? It is 20. So what can we multiply it by 4 to make it 20? It is 5. How about 5? What can we multiply it by 5 to make it 20? It is 4. Very good. Now we can multiply our numerators. So 9 times 5 plus 13 times 4. So 9 times 5 is equal to 45. Very good. Plus 13 times 4 is equal to 52. We can add our numerators now, then carry our denominator. 45 plus 52 is equal to 97. So our answer would be 97 all over 20. Can we simplify our answer? Yes. So our answer could be 97 all over 20 or 4 and 17 all over 20. Now we're going to have subtracting fraction. 1/2 minus 2/5. Since we do not have the same denominator, what are we going to do first? We need to find the first common multiple of these two numbers. So what is the first common multiple of 2 and 5? It is 10. So what can we multiply it by 2 to make it 10? So it is 5. Very good. What can we multiply it by 5 to make it 10? It is 2. Now we can multiply our numerator. So 1 times 5 minus 2 times 2. So 1 times 5 is equal to 5 minus 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Now we can subtract our numerator. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Then we can just carry our denominator, which is 10. So our answer is 1/10. Last, we have 3/5 minus 1/4. Since we do not have the same denominator, we need to find the first common multiple of these two numbers. So what do you think is the first common multiple of 5 and 4? It is 20. So what can we multiply it by 5 to make it 20? So it is 4. Then what can we multiply it by 4 to make it 20? It is 5. Very good. Now we can multiply our denominator. So 3 times 4 minus 1 times 5. So 3 times 4 is equal to 12 minus 1 times 5 is equal to 5. We need to minus our numerators now. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Then we carry our denominator, which is 20. Can we simplify our answer? No. So our answer would be 7 all over 20. So thank you for today and see you again on our next video.